How to know your iPhone battery boosted or not. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check if your iPhone battery is boosted or not. So let us begin. First, open up your settings. After you open your settings, you'll have to go to the camera. Scroll down and search for camera and open it up. Now here you will see an settings that says use volume up for burst. Now toggle this button on. After you do so, open up your camera. Now here what you'll need to do is you'll need to use the volume up button to click pictures. Now use the volume up button. Now you'll have to keep doing that for a few minutes. Make sure that you click all the burst pictures for a minute or so. And after you do that, check your battery percentage. If it decreases too much, your battery has been, it's not really on a good health. And if it's not decreasing much, that means you're good to go. And that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. And if this video helped you, leave a like down below